Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to access and use Brave VPN in Brave browser. Brave VPN is a privacy-focused VPN service that can help provide an additional layer of privacy and security while browsing the internet. It can also help hide your IP address and provide access to VPN servers in different locations, depending on your plan and availability. So let's get started. First, open Brave browser on your computer. Once Brave browser is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. Now, click the menu button. A drop-down menu will appear with several different options. From this menu, find and select Brave VPN. A Brave VPN window will now open. Here, you can see information about the Brave VPN service. Brave VPN includes features such as additional privacy and security, IP address protection, different server locations, and support for multiple devices, depending on your subscription. If you want to start using Brave VPN, you can select the Start 7-Day Free Trial button. After clicking this option, follow the on-screen instructions to continue with the trial or subscription process. Before starting a trial, make sure you review the available terms and subscription details carefully. If you have already purchased Brave VPN, you can select Already Purchased Brave VPN. This option is useful if you already have an existing Brave VPN subscription. After your subscription or trial is active, you can access the available VPN controls and manage your connection. Depending on the version of Brave and your device, you may be able to choose a VPN location and connect to the VPN service. Once the VPN connection is active, your device can use the VPN connection while you browse the internet. When you finish using Brave VPN, you can open the VPN controls again and disconnect the connection if that option is available. You can also manage your subscription and VPN settings through the available Brave VPN options. Remember, Brave VPN is a subscription-based service, and the available features may depend on your plan, device, and region. So always review the subscription information before starting a free trial or purchasing a plan. And that's how you can access and use Brave VPN in Brave browser. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful browser tutorials.